This is the Asian session review for Monday, the 17th of August 2026. Fairly decent size move was missed this morning. We were coming into Monday, very small gap down, trading inside this previous day's hourly range from the 4 a.m. hourly candle on Saturday morning for me and Friday's close in New York. And I sort of saw price come up into this point of control zone and reject from there. And I thought, okay, cool. This should be a fairly nice trade if we break down through the upper value zone and then target the pivot would be fairly logical style trade. So I jumped the gun a little bit as I look for, because I'm trading on a 5-minute chart, obviously I'm looking for something like this to break through this zone. This is a really nice move here. So that's showing me that we're sort of coming back into value and I can look to fade a value extreme. But for the trigger, I'm looking for a 5-minute bar that sweeps the previous high and starts to come down. But I was sort of so overconfident, shall we say, in this because we had this hourly, that was what, the 10 a.m., 10 p.m. my time, New York low as an hourly low right there. So I was thinking that's a really nice target. And all the market did was it swept this hourly range into the point of control, swept these lows here. We had multiple lows. Well, that's a 6 o'clock low here, 4 a.m. low. So double lows, hourly lows here, swept just underneath this value line and went back up. So I got trapped into that trade and got stopped out for a full stop. And signal was the 10 a.m., the Tokyo Open. We had a lovely sweep here, trapping more sellers. Wasn't convincing enough for me to close my position there, but that would have been a beautiful place to close. This was a sweep, and that was the real trigger, but it didn't trigger that because I sell on the stops. So I have a sell stop at the low, but that was very convincing. Now that was the time to get out, but by the time I'd sort of looked at that, it was already going. And the sad side of that is not catching such a beautiful move where we swept these hourly lows here and moved all the way through. No real chance. I mean, by the time this 5-minute candle here, that was a sweep rejection of the point of control zone. We're already at the previous day's high, and it continued pretty much up to the first upside target. I was lucky not to catch, I was like trying to get like a price discovery, but seeing this, that was perhaps a signal where we've got this sweep, and so I was sort of more lucky not to take that one, I think. But once I saw this coming back in, I thought, okay, well, at least we're going to go down to the point of control. And I sort of started selling in here. Thought I was getting trapped again because I'd missed this move down to here, got trapped, closed out here. And then on more sort of rejection, seeing this sweep, I was thinking, no, it's going to come down to the point of control. And I started adding on a few positions. So it was a positive day in terms of the account, but was very messy. And of course, missed the real move through most of the Tokyo hour. So that was a shame.